Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be replacing the seal on my diff that we found out was blown out a few weeks back. As you can tell, we're in a bit of a different place today. My teacher here at my college was willing to let me work on my car in class, so we're going to be able to get my car up on a lift, and hopefully that'll make getting this diff out a little bit easier and just make the overall process of this real easy. But without further ado, let's just get into it and get this diff opened up. Just like that, she's out. Alright, so like I was saying a little while ago, we originally thought that it was leaking from the cover itself, but upon further inspection, we looked over at this output flange and we noticed wetness all around the outside. So we're going to crack this open and we'll kind of walk through how to replace this seal, and hopefully this will fix the leak. The first thing you do after you get the diff out of the car, you want to take off this flange. All it's connected by is just 4 bolts that are 13 millimeters. They're not usually torqued on too much. You should be able to loosen them up with the diff on a bench. No problem. Alright, so once you get all these bolts loosened, you're going to want to get out a pry bar, and then you're just going to start slowly prying up around the edges until you can get this to fully pop out. Alright, so after prying at this for what seemed like half an hour, we came to the realization that we had to take out this top portion first. It's easy enough once you figure it out. What we ended up doing was just getting the screwdriver on the backside and just hammering it out, and it popped right out. From here though, you're going to want to take out this little snap ring here on the inside, and then that'll allow you to loosen up these bolts and then just pop this off. Alright, now that that snap ring's out, we can finally get to taking this off. It helps when you do things in the right order. Got 40 minutes to get this done, so I gotta start being like Speed Racer with this shit. Hopefully this goes a lot smoother than it did last time. I imagine this will actually come out now that we have the... Ah, look at that! That was easy. That was too easy. First little change. Yeah. Woo! Sick. Got it off. Now if you can see on the inside here, that's the seal that we're going to be getting out of there. A little bit of a harder surface. Try and tap this bitch out. Ah, there we go. Boom. Just like that, we have the old seal out. Alright, so you place the cup side to the outside, and we're just going to try our best to like center it a little bit, and then you're gonna have to find something to press this in. Good.
Hold on. What size are you gonna put this on?
You
want the claws on it.
That's a good idea. I like your thinking. But yeah, we found this weird ass socket inside the tool room. It fits perfectly over the inner ring and within the outside ring, so we're just gonna use that to just push it through. Here, I'm gonna take it out and see what it looks like. Still looking good, looking good. Ooh, look at all this that was in there. Maybe that's what was causing all the
clean it up
leakage. Probably should have washed it out beforehand, but we're in a rush. We just need to get this done for this weekend. I think that might be it. It's looking like it's in all the way. Realistically, what you would do is, with the old seal still in, you would do like a line of Sharpie around the outside. But like I said, we're in a hurry, not really thinking too much. This looks like it should be seated though. All right, let's go install this, I guess. All right, so back over here. Not much we gotta do, just gotta slide this puppy chucker in.
She's the rubber mallet. The rubber mallet.
What about it?
I would use that to completely
tap it in. Good man, like you're thinking. Boom, and she in. All right, from what I remember, the torque specs for these are 53 foot-pounds. And definitely not 53. Don't listen to me. It's 17. Memory's not serving me right. 54, I think, is the axle bolts. That's what it is. All right, but now that we have that in, we're going to want to put the snap ring back in. From what I heard, you don't usually have to replace these. I don't know, some people like to, but I don't think it'll be too much of an issue. All right, so essentially what I'm doing, I just put the snap ring in like open end first, and like it went in like straight up and down, and then I just flipped it to its side and was able to just seat it into the little grooves in there. But now that we have that in, just grab our little flange and just lower it back in there. The snap ring. There we go. Just gotta give it a little oomph. Nice. You know what? I'd say that's looking pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
I need help lifting this. I mean, I would like to do it myself, but like,
I forgot. Yeah.
Oh, she was all back in. All right, so now we are heading over to Pick and Pull. Gabe needs to find a muffler for Spirit Peaks before this weekend, or else he's not gonna be able to drive. So yeah, we're gonna get over there, try and find some sort of like sporty muffler, probably off like a Honda Civic or something. Just try and find like a fart can, something that'll at least make some sort of noise. But yeah, I'll see you guys then. We've arrived. What? You want my vape? You need my vape? You fucking fiend. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be so busy over here. Like the entire parking lot is absolutely full. I had to park on the street.
I think they got new inventory. I think that's why.
Oh, you're probably right. That would make sense. You know what's funny? This is actually my first time ever being at a junkyard. Like ever.
Really?
Yeah, ever.
Because me too.
But we made it in. Surprisingly, it only cost us $3 for all of us. I was expecting it to be like $2 a piece, something like that. But damn, I need to start coming here more often, honestly. Gabe said there's a car that looks suspicious. Which one are you looking at?
This one?
This one right here?
Yeah, but try
One that's
fucking
slammed
on the fucking ground.
I mean, I doubt it'll have anything. Nah, it's just got the full regular exhaust. Oh, wait. What about this Pontiac Firebird?
No.
Nope, someone already chopped off the mufflers on this one too. God, all the cars that would have a good muffler on them, they're all just chopped, of course. I think we know what that means.
Bad news.
Wait, what?
It's just one pipe. No, I'm saying like this is just one big pipe.
Oh no!
Yeah.
And we didn't bring the Sawzall! God damn it! We were so close.
You think they might have one when you borrow or rent?
You know, they could very well have a Sawzall they can use.
They don't do that anymore.
They don't let you use them? Why not?
COVID.
Oh, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense.
But yeah,
Shit.
they used to let you do it.
Well, I guess we'll keep looking. Okay, the Scion's looking pretty ricey. I'm hoping it has a muffler. And it's stuck. Great. Whack. Alright, so after searching for probably like 45 minutes and coming across so many different exhausts that just were a bunch of crap, we finally came across this little thing from a Impala SS. It's got two Flowmaster mufflers. And funnily enough, I'm looking for a muffler too right now, so I might just end up taking the second one off of Gabe's hands. And then we'll just have a bunch of pipe left over. Yeah, we don't have the Sawzall, so we can't really cut it down. So we're trying to determine right now like what the price is going to be and whether or not we're going to be able to fit in our cars. But yeah, we're going to figure it out, and then we'll go from there. All right, we got the exhaust. We're ready to go. Now we just got to go get Noah's muffler. Second exhaust out. You happy with it, Noah?
So excited. Now I just need to get the car started.
Yeah, right? Alright. So, here's the deal. Since we don't have our Sawzall and we're not able to fit these two exhausts inside of any of our cars, we're gonna run back to the house and pick up the Sawzall, but now we're just hiding the exhaust back deep inside the junkyard. I hid this one up underneath this mat under a Dodge Caravan, so it's relatively unassuming. And then we just stuck the other one inside the back of this van, so hopefully no one finds them. The guy up at the front was pretty surprised with the brands that we were able to find. He was saying that if he would have known they were here, he probably would have bought them himself. But we're gonna run back to the garage, go grab the Sawzall, and then we're gonna get right back here, and hopefully the exhausts are still here when we get back. All right, we made it back. Let's see if they're still here. Hey, this one's still here. Hey, and mine's still here. Look at that. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. All right, let's get to chopping. Sweet. Bada bing, bada boom. Easy. Bet. So, 2 Flowmasters and a MagnaFlow. I'd say that's a pretty good haul. So there's one exhaust that I'm still thinking that I want to pick up. There's another MagnaFlow on this Honda. I don't know. I think I'll cut it off, see how much they want for it, and then we'll go from there. I took the MagnaFlow. All right, so we just got out of pick and pull, and for the 3 mufflers that I picked up, we only ended up paying 41 bucks. I thought it was gonna come out to like at least 60. I wasn't sure. That's a crazy deal. I mean, even though they're just like some like AutoZone, I think 2 of them are just like AutoZone mufflers. The other one is a MagnaFlow. I'm not really sure how much they go for, but that's a hell of a deal. I'm super happy. How much did you end up paying for yours?
14.
14?
Yeah.
Damn, see, like that's hella good.
It's like what, 60 for
Yeah, 60.
2 Flowmasters and 2 MagnaFlows.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
That's really fucking
Bet.
good.
That's a successful haul right there. All right, we made it back to the garage. It's only about 3 o'clock, but I'm tired and I need a nap. I'm not sure if this is gonna be the end of the video or not, but if it is, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, I lied. That wasn't the end of the video. I ended up getting the full muffler installed. I managed to use the original hanger points. I just had to move the 2 hangers and re-weld them on, but it wasn't too bad. It was a bit annoying trying to line everything up and get it to fit right. I ended up having to take off this rear little valence thing because I couldn't get the tip to match up with the hole. But we're gonna get her started and see what she sounds like.
There we go. Let's go.
Ooh. I'm so excited.
All right, you ready?
Yep. Oh, I like that. That's nice and deep. Give it a couple braps. Oh no! It's like a little Honda sounding. It's a little ricer, but I mean, it at least quiets it down, and now I'll be able to drift out the track. It sounds better than it did before. I mean, I'll take it. So. Bet. Well, tomorrow's our first day at the track. We've been getting stuff ready all day. I'm nervous, but I'm pretty excited. You'll see that in the next video. I hope you all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.